Hey niggers. It's Mackenzie and Shannon show. Eggs out to Shannon. Mackenzie and Jordan show. Yeah. See that red disco ball up there? It's James's ball sack. She doesn't want to show her face. Come on. Come on out. Don't be shy. Yeah.
No, here it comes.
Come on. You're not scared to do the Mackenzie and Shannon show. This is their actual studio.
Are they pretty?
This is their actual studio where they do all their junk at. Yeah, I'm on FaceTime with her.
Ow.
See? It's true. She's not just weird on YouTube.
I'm not.
She's a complete dork.
Hey!
Sorry. Look, she has no life. Big time rush.
Hey, shut up. I have a life.
You're right. If you don't show yourself on the camera, come on, show yourself. Don't be shy. Come on. I'll hang up on you. Ooh, that's a massive head, ain't it? Like a Great Dane. Anyway, first video, bye.